evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, we are trying to sell the idea that bad flu is going to kill everyone. And I want you to go forward and tell all your people that they must have a vaccination, which Baxter in Austria will make, and it won't have a live avian flu virus in like at the time. And the vaccine won't be like the one we gave everyone in 1976, which killed everyone with swine flu, and it was the actual vaccination that killed everyone. I don't know how that happened. It never happened before. Or the one in Libya which contained live HIV virus, so the ones we give out worldwide, which contain mercury, which does not cause brain damage, no, massive increases in autoimmune diseases and thyroid damage. Of course, this strain of the big bird, oh, I cannot even say it, I'm so excited, the pig bird human hybrid is not weaponized flu designed to cause fear and divert attention from the financial crisis. No! Even if you stupid people don't buy the idea of the vaccine, you will buy the face masks, won't you? Well, I would like to leave you people with saying, on a happy note, that if this one doesn't kill you, the next one will. Thank you very much. Goodbye.